It is finally time to use some of the ingredients that we've been freeze drying lately, which I have really been looking forward to because I really struggle with knowing how to use my food storage. So, in this case, we're just going to start super simple. I wanted to learn how to make mayonnaise, which I've never made before. But before this video, I made the same recipe using fresh ingredients, and now we're going to use freeze dried ingredients to see if I can do it right. So to start, I just reconstituted one egg, and to get that, you need a ratio of 2 tablespoons of raw egg powder and 2 tablespoons of water. Once we got that together, the recipe that I'm using actually calls for mustard, and I do have some freeze-dried mustard powder, so I went ahead and reconstituted that as well. To reconstitute about 1 tablespoon of mustard, I use about 1.5 teaspoons of mustard powder and 1.5 teaspoons of water. And I just waited and mixed it until it reached the right consistency that mustard should look. Then I went ahead and added 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 cup of oil. All of that needs to go in a narrow container, and then you're just going to blend it up using an immersion blender until it's a nice thick and creamy consistency. This turned out so much better than I expected. It tasted just like store-bought mayonnaise, but with a little bit of a mustard kick to it, which we absolutely loved. If you want more ideas on how to use your freeze-dried ingredients, follow along because this is exactly what I'm going to be testing.